Okay, so I was having the same audio problem in my 2009 Toyota Matrix. Let me describe the problem I was having. The left side speakers would quite often go out. If you were to touch the cord in any way, you'd often lose the right side as well, thus kicking it back to the radio or the CD player. So I took mine apart. I read all your posts and I looked at all your videos, which were very good. But I checked mine out and all my solder joints look pretty solid. But what I noticed is this back metal piece right here that's going to touch onto the end of the audio jack, that is loose. When I put the audio jack in, you'll see it move. Okay, push it back. So there actually is a black plastic clip that goes onto the back of this that I believe is meant to hold that in place. However, even with that clip on there, it is still moving. You'll see it. See it push out a little bit? So I tried by hand with just the jack, just like this, plugged into the car with my finger holding that metal up, and I was able to bump and move this thing as much as I wanted and never lost my connection. So I'm thinking, for me, my cheap fix is a piece of index card that I cut up, and I think that might put just enough pressure underneath this black clip to keep that in place. Now, I haven't actually tried it yet, and I'm sure whenever I post this video up, I will let you know whether this worked or not. Probably if it doesn't work, I won't even post it. I think I'm just going to try doubling up twice. That looks to me like it should cause enough. Maybe I'll actually do it tighter. I'll do ×4. Okay, so let me put this clip back on. Well, let me try just doubling it and see what it does. Alright, well that's actually so tight that I can't quite get the clip on. So perhaps just a single width of this will be enough. I don't know. It doesn't feel real tight to me. Let's see if this thing moves. It did still look like it moved a little bit. No, it looks pretty solid to me. So I'm going to go plug this in and see if it works. And if so, I will post this.